guys, Gemini Jets 46 here, coming at you guys with another video. And today it has been a long-awaited video. Sorry I haven't been uploading. Just because I'm not uploading some days doesn't mean I quit aviation or quit working on my airport. Like, I was working on my airport pretty much the whole time. I almost have Terminal C completed, and then I'll do Terminal B as the last resort. Terminal A has all the gates in. The reason I kind of came over here is because this was really bugging me. Alright. So yeah, Terminal A has all its gates in. I was just trying out some airplanes there. It's not all the airplanes are not all in the right spot, but I was just trying them out, seeing how the spacing would work. It has been a while, 3 weeks since my last upload. I'm sorry about that, but I'm coming back to you guys with another model review. And maybe the next video will be an airport update, but I won't have it completely finished, but you know, we'll get some models in there. So, yeah. This was my first, wait, crap, I think I'm lying. Maybe my second or third Herpa model. Aero Mexico E170. We do have connection service to Denver, seasonal route along with the regular Aero Mexico. Aero Mexico Connect E170, 1/4 scale model. Herpa miniature model. They spell model different. Okay, that's just a different way to say it. Alright, there's all that information. Don't know how to say that. Herpa, 1/4 scale. There's the model. Price, kind of expensive, but you know, they give me a discount, so it's okay. So yeah, the back, Herpa's boxes are pretty lit, because they give you like legit picture, not the computer generated stuff, like legit picture. Limited edition, all that good stuff, information on the back. So yeah, it's right there. They don't give you the facts tab dealio like Gemini Jets does, like how many miles or, you know, all that good stuff that it can fly. Just open this without completely destroying the model. I didn't really like any of the new releases, except the United 787-10. I might get that one. I already have one though, so I mean, I don't know if I want another one. I mean, mine's a -9, but still, -10 isn't really that big of a change. It's a little bit longer, maybe better engines, longer wings, longer wingspan. I think they're trying to convert it to the new, or replace the 777, I should say. Alright, this is as far as we're going in today. I'll just open up one of my paper clips. Alright, there we go. So if we start right there, we have the nice looking, I'm about ready to flip my phone off the table. We have the nose cone, we have the, I don't want to scratch the model. That'd be the last thing on earth I want to do. We have the windows. We have the L1 boarding door, landing gear, the 2 engines, the winglets. Personally, I like the E175s better. Connect, Aero Mexico, the last one. The last door, they don't really use it for boarding unless they don't have gates, you know. Aero Mexico logo. Bring it closer. Oh, there we go. So yeah, this model's gorgeous. Herpa. It's kind of like, almost exactly like Gemini Jets, actually. Flaps, wings, maybe a little less detail, I mean. No, I don't know. Alright. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That was a really huge review, kind of more like an update on the airport, and yeah, I got a new model. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully that'll be a quick little model review, or maybe a quick airport update on how the airport is going. It's going actually really fast, faster than I expected. Although I can already picture drawing the markings on the airport as sucking, but you know. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more daily content. And don't forget, if we get to that 1,000 subscribers by December, early or late. I haven't really decided how long I want to make it. I'll do a giveaway. So yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed and like that. Yeah. Comment down below and like the video to show your continuous support. So thank you guys for watching and have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.